Hello, all you lovely computer scientists. Today we're going to be showing off a simple movement turning system for our Python turtle. Uh, it's not too hard. Uses like the screen.listen, screen.main loop, defining subfunction for the turtle, all that. We're going to change the turtle to be a more obvious shape so that you can also more easily see the angle that it is turned to. Thank you very much. Thank you all very much for watching the video. I do hope you learned something. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe, and especially comment, because I love learning how you learn, and learning how you learn helps me teach better, helps me have you learn better, which helps everybody in general, and it's an amazing thing to learn better. Thank you very much.